Hey there, I'm Alex, one of the founders of Steer. Let me show you today our calendar page. So in the top right, you can see that I'm connected to my email. I can hover over. You can see I'm connected to the Steer email. And now we can go to the home page. Here's Tyler. We're on our second follow-up, but we've seen that he's responded. Click responded. And now you're able to send a booking chat. Did you book a time with Tyler? Yes. What time? Yeah, let's send a Google Calendar invitation. We booked it for Friday at 10:45. Congratulations, your chat's booked. Let's look at the calendar. You can see that we now have a Google Calendar chat, and it's booked on here. So you can see all your coffee chats on here, and you can see all your scheduled messages. This helps you coordinate your coffee chats better, and it removes all of the administration related to having to manage all of your calendar invites. So it'll use your location, it'll use everything. So this is a very good feature.